Henna is a type of leaf. It is also known as Mehendi. It is a densely branched shrub or small tree grown for its various medicinal parts. It thrives in tropical and subtropical climates. These leaves have many benefits. Today in this video, I will show you the top 7 benefits of henna leaves. If you are new to this channel, you can subscribe to this channel, because it can be a great collection for you. In traditional medicine, henna is used as an astringent, purgative, and abortifacient. It is also used on hair. Henna is primarily used as a natural plant hair dye. Henna has antifungal properties, making it beneficial for those suffering from dandruff, hair loss, and other microbial issues. The health benefits of henna are countless. People who are experiencing hair loss or baldness can benefit from henna. The traditional method is to mix henna juice or oil with curds before applying it to your hair, as this may increase the effectiveness of the treatment. People frequently underestimate the importance of maintaining healthy nails. The cuticles and space under the nails are prime locations for infection and bacterial presence. Drinking water infused with leaves may help prevent nail cracking and inflammation. A poultice applied directly to the nail beds may relieve irritation, pain, and infection. The ability to protect the skin from infections and reduce inflammation is one of the most notable henna applications. It has been used for generations to treat burns, wounds, and scrapes. It is not only adding a protective layer against foreign pathogens and substances, but also has natural cooling properties that absorb heat from the skin. According to Ayurvedic traditions, the antipyretic properties of henna may also help to reduce fevers. Extremely high fevers as a secondary symptom of another condition can be harmful to organ function and metabolic processes. It is critical to bring the body's temperature down, and henna may be able to help by inducing sweating, and thus effectively breaking the fever, or simply cooling the body and providing some relief. The juice of the henna plant is not always praised as particularly beneficial, but it can be applied directly to the skin for immediate headache relief. Henna compound's anti-inflammatory properties may aid in reducing tension and promoting healthy blood flow in the capillaries, which is a common cause of headaches and migraines. Drinking the resulting liquid after soaking the bark or leaves of the henna plant in water has been linked to the improved spleen and liver health. The liver protects the body by assisting in the removal of toxins that build up in the body.